You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Have you ever wondered what a childcare institution is?
We believe that many people are not very familiar with them.
That's why we are so excited to introduce the project to you. As you can see, this is our overview, which consists of 6 parts.
Every child deserves a warm home, but not all children are fortunate enough to have one. My cousin was sent to a childcare institution during their school time because their parents were unable to take care of them. The Department of Social Service said the family was dysfunctional and sent them to different institutions. After I read the report written by Mr. Chen, who was a resident in a childcare institution over 10 years, I became more and more curious about my cousin's childhood in the institutions, so we decided to understand them and help them as possible.
Additionally, most of study focus on the challenges faced by childcare institutions, but they don't provide many solutions to help them. That's why we want to focus on this part.
And this is our research questions. First, how much do Taiwanese know about childcare institutions? Second, what problems do children in childcare institutions face? Third, what specific ways can Taiwanese take to support childcare institutions?
As you can see in these courses, we learn presentational skill and the way to make our report more professional and easier to understand.
And we have 3 parts of our literature review. According to stereotypes and difficulties, we discuss some ways to help the childcare institutions.
Next, in our research process, you can see that we have some special steps, like volunteering, design questionnaire, even doing street interview and sending out a gift. Finally, we collect the results.
Also, we interviewed 2 people. One is Mr. Chen, who was a resident in a childcare institution over 10 years, and another is the director of the childcare institution. After an interview, we learned more about childcare institution situation, and we found some way to help them.
Based on our interview content, we designed a questionnaire and answered by 179 people. It explored 4 key problems, which include first impressions, institutional problems, impacts on children, and how we can support them. It reflects public views and provides valuable information to help us strengthen our solution and care for children.
Therefore, to show our gratitude to the people who help us, we made the following goods as small gifts to send to them, like tissue, custard, and dishcloths. All of the items are designed for the children in the institution. And during the process, the children were very focused on drawing, and everyone was smiling in a joyful atmosphere.
Next, we are going to talk about our findings and discussions. The chart shows the first impression of Taiwanese people to a childcare institution. While 86% of the Taiwanese people's first impression were positive, there are still 10% of them, though the childcare institutions are the same as the orphanages.
Those photos show that 54% of Taiwanese don't have a clear understanding of what childcare institution is, challenges they face, and the impact on children. We found this may be due to inadequate media report, social stereotype, or lack of direct content.
And this chart shows 33% of the participants consider insecurity is the most challenges faced by children in the institution. However, the children demonstrate independence, problem-solving skills, and a willingness to help others.
The chart shows that most of Taiwanese people choose to donate to support childcare institutions. But we interviewed 2 people. They choose to understand what childcare institution needs and buy the supplies for them directly.
And we dedicated to use volunteers to help them. We volunteer to prepare food for children, help them with their homework. But the most important thing is to be with the children. If you have a chance, would you like to be a volunteer?
In summary, we found that most people are uninformed about childcare institutions. It's that they don't pay attention to the news, issue, or policy. We hope to promote public awareness about the childcare institutions. Based on our literature review, we discussed some ways to help them.
First, we can support childcare institutions by donating and volunteering.
Second, we can help the children by accompanying them.
Third, even if you can attend in person, you can learn the related activity about them.
With more love and care, we can help the children grow up healthy. So let's play,
Learn and grow
together!